Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up a cleaning schedule for DREAME L20 ULTRA. To do this, first we'll need to open DREAME app, click on Go to Device, then click on three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Inside you can find Scheduled Cleanup, then click on the plus button, and here we can change the starting time for the schedule. Then repeat once daily, Monday to Friday, only weekends, or custom. In custom you can select the custom amount of days you want the robot to work. In this case we're gonna go with the weekends. Then we can change our cleaning task from Clean Genius and all of the map or custom rooms. We can also go for the custom and then adjust the settings where it should clean. Now we can confirm it, and the schedule should be enabled. You can also enable or disable it like that. And now to remove it, you will need to drag it to the left. There's a bin button, click on it, then confirm it, and the schedule can be removed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.